with the free witches? Mm. Mm-hmm. A little sneeze. Oh, sure. Yeah, but it did in the last season. In the last seasons, it got it wasn't so good anymore in the last. Oh, it's gone again. I thought it would come again. Thank you, arigato, thank you.